Benjamin was our tour guide. One of the best tours ever. Our guide was so very well educated on every part of the country's history, politics and Judaism, religion and history. He took every question from both knowledgeable and less educated participants. No question was left unanswered. So very happy we had Benjamin as our guide. What a wonderful tour. Benjamin was an outstanding guide, knowledgeable and insightful. He brought real Jewish heart and soul to his presentation, which covered Jewish history as well as Hungarian history. This will surely be one of the highlights of our trip. Thank you, Benjamin. You're a mensch. Keep up the great work. Ben gave a very informative history of Jewish life in Budapest and the Dohány Street Synagogue. He was articulate, easy to be with and informative. The small group limitation to 12 people maximum is a plus. Ben shared stories of his family illustrating the personal impact of history. We did the tour this morning with Benjamin. He was intelligent, knowledgeable, friendly, and well-spoken. He was actually a joy to listen to. He didn't appear to be just reciting the history, but he genuinely cared about the subject matter. He kept us all engaged. This was a very informative tour that taught us a lot about Jewish life and history in Budapest. We had a good amount of time at the synagogue and museum, and our guide was very well versed. She also made good recommendations to explore the quarter on our own. Our guide Benjamin was knowledgeable, thoughtful, and gave us a very good understanding of the history and culture of the Jewish community in Budapest and Hungary. He was the best guide we have had in years. We are quite glad we connected with him. This tour provides an in-depth picture of Budapest's Jewish community in the present, and especially during World War II. We need to remember the past in order to prevent atrocities in the future. Our tour guide was exceptional and knowledgeable. Benjamin was fantastic. He offered so much insight and personal experiences during this tour. There were people who were all different religions and from various countries in our small group. Everyone agreed it was a very meaningful experience. Our guide, Benji, was terrific. Not only is he engaging and a great storyteller, but he is incredibly knowledgeable across a variety of topics from history to restaurants, and personalizes the topics to ground the listener in the place and time. It was wonderful. We saw and learned so much about Eastern European Jewry and Hungarian specifically. I cannot recommend this tour enough. Benjamin was fantastic. I can't believe how knowledgeable this young man is. Our tour guide, Dorka Darvis, was outstanding. She was incredibly knowledgeable, friendly, and made the entire tour both engaging and extremely interesting. Her passion and insight truly enhanced the experience. Dorka was amazing. Knowledgeable, passionate, perfect English. We all really enjoyed our tour, the perfect person to show us around and teach us about her heritage as part of Budapest's Jewish community. Our guide was absolutely amazing and fantastic. Benjamin was knowledgeable, personable, and accommodatingly helpful. We could not have had a better guide. He made the experience extra special.